Hello community, we continue with the team type workspaces. In this tutorial, we will see collaborative version control in XR Creator Studio, a key feature for working as a team without losing changes. We are going to work from a team workspace called the AI Agent Workshop. We open the desired project and enter XR Creator Studio. Let's look at the version control panel. In collaborative projects, this panel allows you to see the history of the project and also the work of other team members. Each contributor works first on their own user branch. That means you can make changes, save checkpoints, and move forward without directly affecting the work of others. Now, the interesting thing, you can review the history of other collaborators. This allows you to see what changes were made, compare progress, and validate before integrating any modifications into the project. If you want to see a specific version, you can query a checkpoint. This allows you to check the project status of another contributor on your branch. This way, you avoid damaging the work of others. Once the changes have been reviewed and approved, the next step is the merge. But before that, you should check out your latest checkpoint. This ensures the merge is applied to the correct version of your work. Remember, merge integrates a collaborator's modifications into your branch, preserving the history and avoiding overwriting work. To better coordinate teamwork, it is important to use messages or comments at checkpoints. You can also mark versions as ready for review, so others know which changes are ready to integrate or publish. Once the changes have been integrated, it is time to publish. There are two paths here. You can publish to development for team testing without exposing the changes publicly. This is ideal for validating features or collaborations before making them final. To publish to production, which is the stable and globally visible version, you need higher permissions such as admin of the workspace or the project. This ensures that only responsible people can deploy final versions of your experience to the metaverse. Quick tips for teams: save and comment on important changes, review before merging, and publish only when the checkpoint is stable. And that's it. This is how you work collaboratively with version control in XR Creator Studio within Team Workspaces. If you have not yet seen how to create a team workspace from XR Hub, I leave you part 1.